Artificial intelligence has arrived. It is not a far-off dream from science fiction movies. It is here today, right now, in this very moment. In fact, you probably used it just a few minutes ago without even realizing it. AI is quietly working in the background of our modern world. It powers many of the tools we rely on every single day. This technology is becoming as common as electricity. It helps us connect, learn, and navigate our lives in countless, small but meaningful ways. The goal is not to be overwhelmed by the complexity, but to understand its simple, practical role. Many people think of AI as walking, talking robots. They imagine futuristic machines that think exactly like humans. The reality is much more subtle and, in many ways, more useful. Today's AI is a specialized tool. It performs specific tasks very well. It is not about creating a copy of a human brain. Instead, it is about building software that can recognize patterns. It learns from information. It then makes intelligent decisions or predictions based on that learning. We are just at the beginning of this journey. Understanding AI is no longer just for engineers or scientists. So, what exactly is this thing called artificial intelligence? Let's break it down into a simple idea. Think of AI as making a computer smart, but in a very specific way. We are not giving it consciousness or feelings. We are giving it the ability to learn from information. This information is called data. A computer with AI can look at huge amounts of data. It finds patterns and connections that a human might miss. Then, it uses those patterns to make a prediction or a decision. It is a tool for turning information into intelligent action. Imagine you are teaching a child to recognize a cat. You show them many pictures of cats. You point out their pointy ears. You point out their whiskers. You point out their tails. After seeing enough examples, the child learns what a cat looks like. AI learns in a similar way, but on a massive scale. We feed an AI system thousands of cat photos. We feed it millions of cat photos. The system analyzes the pixels in each image. It learns the common features that define a cat. After this training, it can look at a brand new picture and say with high accuracy, that is a cat. This process of learning from examples is called machine learning. It is the most common and powerful type of AI today. The key idea is that we do not write explicit, step-by-step rules for the computer. We do not tell it, if you see pointy ears and whiskers, it is a cat. Instead, we provide the data and let the computer figure out the rules for itself. This makes AI flexible and able to solve problems too complex for traditional programming. Let's look at 3 real examples of AI that you probably use every day. The first one is your personalized stream of entertainment. Think about platforms like Netflix, YouTube, or Spotify. This AI is called a recommendation engine. It analyzes your past behavior and what similar users enjoy. It predicts which song or show will capture your interest next. Without it, you'd be lost in millions of choices. It curates the gems. A second example is online shopping, where AI shapes your experience and logistics. Predictions stock items near you, making fast shipping possible. Finally, writing tools use natural language processing, or NLP. Trained on billions of sentences, it understands patterns to help you write clearly. One of AI's greatest benefits is extending human capability. In healthcare, AI can analyze X-rays and MRI scans, spotting subtle signs early. It assists, not replaces, doctors, leading to earlier diagnoses and better outcomes. It even accelerates drug discovery, shortening R&D by years. However, with great power comes responsibility. If training data is biased, AI can learn and amplify those biases in hiring, loans, and justice. AI needs data, some personal. It must be collected responsibly, used ethically, and protected. Without strong rules and oversight, misuse erodes trust. The future of AI is something we can all help build and shape. Stay curious, keep learning, and pay attention to the AI you already use.